she said, and you didn't want to say the words, you just pointed and then made me say the words. Yeah, Benji likes to do that too. Wagon. Tractor. He's relaxing. Purple car. Orange car, pig family. You know what? That orange car looks suspiciously like the cat family's car.
Oh my gosh, they stole it.
They totally stole it, don't you agree? That's totally the car that they're in.
Yeah.
Benji, the piggy stole it from the cat family.
You know that pig family has like 1 billion kids.
Yeah, where's the rest of their kids?
Finished? Are you all done with that book, buddy? You just want to read it by yourself? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a dump truck. Or a garbage truck. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's where you sit. What's that, a fire truck? Fire truck? You want to see? See mommy? Hold on. Move your hand a little bit. Now can you see mommy? Mommy's sitting down. Hi, mommy.
Hello, cameraman Benji. You see me?
Good job, buddy. Okay.
Oh, thank you.